What is going on, Team Lethal fans? Joe with Lethal Performance here. Today we've got another exhaust for the Bronco here today. This one here is specifically the Kooks dual tip axle back exhaust. So without further ado, let's go ahead, open up the box, show you what's going on inside here, get it installed on our truck, and give you guys some sound clips. Alright, so now that I've got it out here on the table, you can see what comes with all the kit here. And one thing about Kooks is that they mean quality, and they go over the top with supplying everything that you're going to need to install this within the car. To begin with here, we went ahead and went with their dual tip system, which comes with their black ceramic coated tips there. They come in a matte finish. Of course, it is supplied with 3 of their exhaust clamps here, along with some of their anti-seize there, which they recommend putting on all the threads of the clamps there, so that, let's just say theoretically, if you go to take the system off, you should have no issues with the clamps and not have to cut anything along the way. Kooks has also come prepared for the differences between the 2.3 liter model and the 2.7 liter model with this part right here. This is an exhaust hanger here that Kooks custom makes in-house to make sure that it'll fit both applications there. So regardless of what truck that you have and regardless of what engine it has in it, you'll be good to go. This system here is all 304 stainless steel that is mandrel bent to perfection. Now, for those who are unfamiliar with Kooks, they've been around since 1962, manufacturing all types of different exhaust pieces for various different types of vehicles here. They are all made here in the United States, so if you're looking for a high quality exhaust that's made here in the States, this one is going to be for you. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get this installed on our Bronco and show you what it sounds like.
What's up, Team Lethal fans? Mustang King in the house. We're back over at WBA Performance installing the all-new Kooks exhaust system on our Bronco. They've got 2 different exhaust systems available, which are axle backs. We've got the dual tip, we've got the single tip. They're stainless steel, mandrel bent, and use 4-inch tips. So let's get this thing on the truck and get you guys some sound clips. Woo!
Get your new Lethal hat on.
Oh yeah, fresh new Lethal gear. Well, here we are, taking the first ride in our Bronco with the new Kooks axle back exhaust system installed. First thing I noticed, I'm sure you can agree with me, when we did our startup, nice like bassy, deep tone to it. No rasp, rattle, anything like that. Deep tone, right?
Oh yeah, total deep tone. It's definitely something that, especially when he was revving it a little bit, gave a little bit of a nice higher pitch to it, but nothing that was too aggressive. The deep tone, I think I definitely like more on this truck.
It's quiet. You hear the bass, like the deepness of the tone while driving around. So Kooks custom headers and exhausts have been an awesome partner of Lethal Performance for a very long time. I've run their stuff on my 2003 Cobra when I first put headers on it back in the day. And we've run their exhaust systems on a lot of our vehicles over here at Lethal Performance. And it's great to see that they're stepping out, covering all the markets. I mean, the Bronco market is hot. You know, again, this is the 8th system that we've installed on our Bronco. And I'm grateful and pleased that Kooks reached out to us to have us install, test, and review the system. Shows how well we're doing, Joe, on the Bronco market. Oh, yeah. So here we go. We're just cruising around. You know, subtle, very subtle, just a little bit of a deeper tone to it. You know, just cruising here 37 miles an hour, and it's pretty quiet. Yeah. It's nice. Nice. Yeah, really nice, man. Yeah. Clean, very clean. And again, deeper tone to it. So, nice. So I think we should pull around, do some revs and some takeoffs, and let these guys hear how it sounds. Let's have a listen. like it, man. Sounds good. Again, deep, bassy tone to it. No rasp, no nothing like that. Sounds really good when you get on it. And while cruising, nice and subtle. Good job, Kooks. We love you guys. Any questions you guys have about any of Kooks custom headers and exhaust products, feel free to reach out to us at 561-753-8105, lethalperformance.com. Woo! Cruising here 37 miles an hour, and it's pretty quiet.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Isn't this a 25-mile-an-hour zone, Jared?
Possibly. Joe, are you a cop, Joe?
I think it says, I do drive a Crown Victoria.
You're supposed to tell me, though, if you're a cop. Is that real or no?